Horses out here, Balbalianza, Humble Riches, and on the outside, Cinderella Kid. Patron is racing in board, Albalianza, and Humble Riches fighting it out for the lead. 5 lengths, watching in third, Cinderella Kid and Patron. And going along for the first turn, we have Albalianza. By our neck, Humble Riches is on the outside. 7 lengths away in third, Cinderella Kid and Patron. Meanwhile, we have Albalianza goes on by about 2 lengths. Humble Riches remains in second. Patron now moving up to take third. Then on the outside for the Cinderella Kid. Albalianza still in front by 1 length and a half. Humble Riches now coming closer in second. Patron in third and Cinderella Kid. Albalianza still in front by 1 length. Humble Riches on the outside. Patron now coming closer in the end. Cinderella Kid. Humble Riches takes the lead. Albalianza. Patron now on the outside. Third, Cinderella Kid. Humble Riches now by some 3 lengths. Followed by Patron in second. Moving up Cinderella Kid as they come down at the last 150 with Humble Riches this time by about 5 lengths. Patron in second. Cinderella Kid. Albalianza. Last 75 meters. We have Humble Riches now strides away, and finally it's Humble Riches. Second, Patron. Then comes Cinderella Kid, Albalianza.
Successfully scoring its 6th straight victory. Etong si Humble Riches.
Galing.
Mainam talagang 2-year-old